today's video is going to be yet another easy. I use easy in all my videos. That is the goal. That is the plan. So today we are going to do easy smoky eye. So let's go. First things first, we're going to go in with a simple pencil. NickaK, dark brown, easy breezy. Let's go. We're going to start by brushing these brows up.
Make sure that your eyebrows are already cleaned, already done, whether you get them waxed, threaded, whatever it is that you do, wax or threaded. Yeah, I get mine threaded. But whatever you decide to do, make sure it's done. It'll make this process so much easier, I promise you. Let's go. I'm gonna go in, just simply outline that brow, top and bottom. Yes, it looks scary, I know. Don't worry, is what we do here. Always trust the process.
We're going to go ahead and go in with our NYX palette. This is in the shade Deep. And we always go here, the one that's closest to skin tone, just to clean up the brow.
I bust the windows out your car. We're gonna go ahead and with our buffer brush, concealer brush from ALA Studio.
Now that we have our eyebrows done, we have our eyelids primed, we're gonna go ahead into our James Charles Morphe palette. And we're gonna get this black smudge.
We cannot leave this like this, of course, looking like somebody's panda. That's what we're not gonna do. We're gonna go in with so we have a nicely blended eye. Make sure we still trust in the process. Y'all still with me? Okay, good. Don't go nowhere.
Okay, so now that we have our liner on, we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing with the second eye. Start with the black, build that up, and then we're gonna smoke it out and get rid of the harsh lines with a little bit of purple. We're still in the James Charles palette. Let's go. Let's get this eye done. Okay, so now that we have our eyes almost done, we're gonna go ahead and
we're gonna go in with our color corrector. This is LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Orange. And we're just gonna make some magic happen, hide these little blemishes and stuff.
Okay, so we have our face primed, we've did the color correcting, and now we're going to go in with our foundation. And what we're using today for foundation is Maybelline New York, and this is Dream Liquid Mousse, and this is in the shade 130. I'm going to go in with my Old Faithful Real Techniques buffing brush. I'm gonna go in with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop, just because I feel like this is a little.
You know what we're gonna do? We're just gonna dab and pat and blend until doomsday. Let's go.
So for our highlight, which is here and here, we're gonna go in with our Makeup Revolution. This is in the shade C13, and I do believe I'm gonna go on top of the C13 and put a little bit of C12 on. This is just C12. It's a little lighter.
Okay, so now that we are done highlighting, we're gonna go ahead and make sure that we do not crease, and we need this to stay put. So we're gonna go in with my favorite Black Radiance Soft Focus, and this is in the shade Golden Almond.
We're gonna go in, we're gonna bring back some warmth and definition back to our face. I'm gonna be using the Queen Covergirl in the shade Ebony to bronze me back up.
I'm gonna make sure we just blend this out because we don't want any harsh lines, of course.
We're gonna go in and set all over our face, and then we're gonna go back in Black Radiance Soft Focus, and this is in the shade Milk Chocolates. We're gonna go in with our blush, and we're going into the Juvia's Place palettes.
So we have all the powder that we're going to use on our face already on there. So let's go ahead and melt these powders so we won't be looking cake-ish. I'm going to be going in with my MAC Fix Plus.
Okay, so for our highlight, which is the best part other than the blush, we're going to go in Makeup Revolution, Vivid, Big Bronzer, Rock On World. Of course, we have to finish this look by smoking out our bottom lash line, and I'm going to go in with that same black, a little bit of that purple to just go ahead and smoke this out. Let's get this look complete. Okay guys, so I went ahead and finished my lips off. Well, I sped through my lips, and I used a Hard Candy neutral lip gloss. Neutral lip. It is matte. I don't know the shade, but I will continue to look for it. If you want to know it, let me know down below, and I will link it in the description box. This is just a regular brown lippy. Nothing fancy about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Very easy, very simple look. Date night look for us beginners.
Now, how did we do? How did we do? You like it? I like it. I'm halfway ready for the date for tonight. Let's go. No, I really don't have a date. I'm just filming, I think.
This is what we have. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Until next time, guys.